Welcome back to Tech Rants. My name is Q, and today I'm going to be giving you my full review of the iPad 2021, or also known as the iPad ninth generation. Now, before we get started, if you like the content, please consider leaving a like on the video, comment down below what you guys think about this and any other video. Subscribe to become part of the family, tell your friends, all the other good stuff, and if you really enjoy the content, please consider making a donation via Cash App at the dollar sign The Tech Rant Show. That's dollar sign THETECHRANTSSHOW. Donations are never required, but are greatly appreciated. So, here's it is. iPad 2021. Now, I know what you guys are saying. Why are you doing this review so early? You usually wait 2, 3 weeks before you do a review. Well, it's because this is so straightforward and it's so, I don't know. I just I, I've been using it and I don't know. I just feel like it's one of those things. Sometimes you can just give a review on something after using it for a while. Now, of course, if something happens to go bad, I'll let you guys know. But just using it after the first 3 days, I've been using it for about 3 days now, and I've got to say, this has been a beast. All right, so first of all, if you're looking for cutting edge technology, something to wow you, this isn't going to be it. But if you need something to get some work done, maybe a bigger screen to watch videos or whatever, something for the kids, this is it. And at 269 bucks, you just can't beat it. So first of all, I got it in a case right here. I don't know if you guys can kind of see that. But this is a JTech case. It cost me 10 bucks on Amazon, and it has that magnetic board. So when I open it up, it comes on, Touch ID, closes it, and it does that. So first of all, let's take a look at the design of this. Here, let me see if I can take this out of the case without breaking it. Because this is a magnetic case. All right, so good. Let's go ahead and take this out. 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, it's a little damaged here. Oh wow. Okay, hold on 1 second. Wow. Let's see how they do this. This is crazy. Okay, there we go. I found it out. All right, there we go. So take a look at. Well, first of all, take a look at the case. It just slides in there. Nice material. Nothing fancy. It is what it is. It gets the job done. You can tell it's kind of been used. It is what it is. So take a look at the iPad itself. It's a pretty big thing. Not too big, but it's got some weight on it. 10.2-inch display, pretty good. But top you got your power button, headphone jack. That's something you don't see. At the bottom you have your dual stereo speakers, lightning port, and on the left on the right side you have your volume up and down. All right, so pretty nice. I like the way this is designed. I think it's aluminum all the way around. So I mean, it is what it is. All right. So let's go ahead and take this, put this back in the case. Um, Now, here's the thing I want to say. I always said that I didn't never seen a point. I never see a point of buying an iPad when you have an iPhone. Well, best believe I've been using it, and what Apple does, that's kind of funny to me. Apple makes sure they show you why you should need it. So it all coincides with each other. So I can start something on my iPhone, and then if I'm out and about, and then when I get home, when I'm near my iPad, I can just transfer it over. I like that. The iPad definitely works better for doing business tasks. I've been doing a lot of my work from this iPad, and it's been good. I mean, it's been pushing through like you wouldn't believe. This has the Apple A13 Bionic chip, 3 gigs of RAM. This has been it's been a workhouse. It's been pushing it, and I've been heavily surprised on how good this thing has been performing. So, first of all, you open up the case, Touch ID works 100% of the time. 100% of the time. No issues. It is what it is. Hold on one second. Open Dice World. I want to see if I got any games left. Okay, I don't. All right. So yeah, using this, it definitely has been a different experience than using an iPhone. And the case just seamlessly it connects. And I know if this was a keyboard case, oh man, this would be even better. I could turn this around, flip this open, keyboard case comes out. Yeah, I might eventually get one, but right now I'm just gonna use it as is. Because I mean it works. It works. So Apple A13 Bionic chip works 100% of the time, no problem, no stutters, no lag. I do think it could have used 4 gigs of RAM. I think that would have helped it out a lot because it is some stuttering on like web pages and stuff like that. I've had it freeze like a couple times, but other than that, it gets through, you know, like a champ. Now the thing is, um, iPad OS is nothing but a iPad. It's iOS redesigned for a bigger screen. And it works. It works pretty good. Don't have any major issues. It's running iOS 16.3. And I'm buying this. This is February 2023. This thing will last at least another 2 to 3 years before it has to be replaced. So I'm not too concerned about that. But this thing has been pushing through like you wouldn't believe. 64 gigs of storage. Yeah, it's kind of basic, but you know, like I said, for 269 bucks, and what I've been using this thing for, handling business, getting work done. I do have a Bluetooth keyboard, an Apple Bluetooth keyboard. Someone gave me. It's an older one, and it's paired to this, and it works flawlessly. I can type out, you know, because I really don't like typing on the screen this big. Just do. You know, I prefer a keyboard, but this thing has been flawlessly working, and I am definitely glad that I picked this up. And I think it is a good investment. Now, if if you do a lot of editing and you actually shoot videos and stuff like that, then of course I would recommend, of course, an iPad Pro or maybe an iPad Air, maybe even a Mini. But for basic everyday usage, for school or for work, or you just want a tablet or whatever for your kids or for grandma and grandpa, this is good. This is a pretty good deal at 269 bucks. And then with this case, I do like this case. I will probably put a link to this case down below. And yeah, you guys can go ahead and do that, and it will help out the channel. It will be an affiliate link. But yeah, so overall, iPad 2021 or iPad ninth generation, $299 for the 64 gig, $399 for the 256. I'm not sure how much the cellular version is. I know T-Mobile and AT&T are offering half off right now if you add a line. So it's like 15 or 20 bucks for the unlimited plan, and then you're only paying like $6 a month versus the 12 or something with AT&T. So, pretty good deal. I thought about doing that, but I'm like, no, it's really not that serious. You know, I would have had another bill, and I mean, yeah, I would have had data on it, but I have hotspot included in my plan what I have with AT&T. So, it's really not the biggest deal in the world. So, but overall, iPad 2021. Oh, battery life. Battery life is terrific. It will. I've been using this heavily now. Just my personal opinion. I've been able to get through at least a day and a half to make, pushing 2 days of usage, and it works. It does pretty good. The only thing I don't like, and you guys can say it's petty, and I'll explain why I don't like it again. I kind of said it in the unboxing. If you open up, this is the original iPad box. So inside, struggle is real. Inside, you had the iPad. Okay, you had the iPad, which was on top. You have the Apple Troll stickers. Some troll stickers, and is there a book in here? No, Apple stuff. They don't give you a book. That's crazy. But Apple Troll stickers. You have your. I'm pretty sure this is USB-C to Lightning. Yeah, USB-C to Lightning. But what pissed me off most of all is they put the charger in the they put the charger in the fucking box. So excuse my language, but they put the charger in the box, and I paid $1,100. Before everybody go in the comments, oh, you didn't pay $1,100 for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. You got that on a carrier, and you're not paying nothing for it. At least that's what you said. But listen here. Here's what I got to say about y'all. Shut the hell up. If I were to pay $1,100 for that iPhone and I did not get a charge in the box, I would be mad. But yet this was $269 at Walmart. $269, way less than that, almost 80% less than that. And there's a charger in the box. I would think that the average person would be mad. But hey, at the end of the day, you guys do what you feel is best. But yeah, I would have been mad if I would have paid $1,100 for that. I mean, I still would have bought it. I still would have gave it a good review. But yeah, would have paid that, and there's no charger in the box. Meanwhile, here's this $300 machine, and there's a charger in the box. Of course, I'll just add it to the collection. It is what it is. Then, of course, the next time Apple says, "Oh, he has a charger in the box," he has a charger, they will be right. So yeah, so that kind of pissed me off, and I mentioned that in the unboxing video, and a lot of people are going to say, well, but you still bought it. You're still buying these phones knowing there's no charger in the box. Yeah, you're right. I'm still buying these phones knowing there's no charger in the box. But the thing is I still don't like it. I still don't like it. You know, I like where I live, but I don't like paying the bills every month. But I pay them because I like to live here. So it's just one of them things. Yeah, I'm gonna pay for it, whatever. You don't like a car note, but you might like the car you drive. You don't like how expensive uh, Red Lobster or Morton's or uh, Roof Crisp is, but you go out there and you spend $150 on the meal. So eh, yeah, so don't tell me, oh well, you still buy it, and yeah, I know, but it is what it is. It's my money. I can do what I want to do. Tell me I gotta like it, but anyway, that's enough rant for that. Overall, iPad 2021 design, it's a good design. Performance, so if I had to rate it from top to bottom, the design, um, it's outdated design. It really is an outdated design. But I'll give it a 7. It works. It definitely does work. Feels premium. You feel like you got something in your hand. So I will give it that. Um, performance gets a 9 out of 10. I do feel like it could have used 4 gigs RAM. Battery life, 10 out of 10. No problem. Longevity, overall value, definitely 10 out of 10. Definitely perfect. So stay tuned for the iPhone 14 Pro Max review. By the way, I will say this as a side note. I got a text message from AT&T yesterday stating that they received my iPhone 13, so definitely I will be getting those promotional credits, so I'm definitely happy about that. But the thing is, like I said, I'm going to let you guys know how I feel about the iPhone 14 Pro Max here soon. A lot of videos coming up. Stay tuned for an announcement. And yeah, we're doing what we got to do. If this was helpful, informative, or entertaining in any way, leave a like, comment down below what you guys think, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Do you have an iPad or do you use a tablet? If so, which one do you use? I don't care if you're using an Asus memo pad from 2014. If it works for you, hey, good. Just let me know what you guys use in the bottom. And if so, why? Or if you don't use tablets, why not? Some people may feel like tablets are useless, which I mean, in a way they really are. But the iPad definitely is being used more and more in schools and stuff like that. But anyway, just let me know what you guys think. Let's have a conversation down below. Subscribe, share, all the good stuff. Cash App will be in the description and will be in the beginning of the video. All right, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please be safe, be blessed. Later.